Here, you mean begin. Here's how you make a facial mask. That's right, knead the dough. Knead the dough. Good. Now, measure out the eyes. Just like this. Who wants this treatment, or am I gonna have to put it on myself?
You got to put on yourself.
Need that. Yes, that's right. That's right. Make the eye holes. That's right. That's right. See, it's all in the rhythm. Should I make a mouth hole?
Yes.
Should I make breathing holes, you say? Knead the dough. Knead the dough. This has natural minerals in it. So, from real Chanel beads. See these little beads? Knead the dough. Knead the dough. Oh, relax. 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 Oh, relax.
When's the end?
No, it is just soothing my skin right now. This is the partial technique of
Falling off
part of
here.
it. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
You need that chin work right
So
there.
relaxing.
You might want to get this hair out of there.
Did you hear this man over for a bird poop?